Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we discuss what are WordPress theme and how we can install in our website. So, the first question is why you need theme. Basically, every website have unique design. So, you need a theme to customize of your website. It's include design elements such as page layout, color, font, or anything like any design you want to customize for your website. So we learn how we can install theme in our WordPress website. First of all, you need to go on Google. After that, you just open your WordPress website admin. So we have a website. You just need to open your admin panel. After open your admin panel, is require your email and your password that you set. So we enter our username, our email and password. Simply log in. You need to you can see your dashboard here and you need to go your appearance. You can see there is a appearance option and in appearance there is a theme option. When you click on theme, if go your theme panel, you can see I have already installed theme in my website, but for you I install again. First of all, I show you website. So basically this is website and you can see there is a header, there is a menu, and if we scroll down there is a footer. So these all header color, footer color are these font size, font type we can adjust with theme. So I show you how we can install theme. You just need to simply add new theme. After that, you can search a theme name, whatever you want to install. Like we have already theme there. Like we install Astra theme. We just need to click here, install. After installing, you just go back and you can see our theme is installed. You just need to activate your theme. Before activate, we can also see live preview. We just click here and see live preview, how it's look like. It takes some time and it show your website how look like after activate this theme. So this is very amazing function. You can see with this theme our website look totally changed. This is the look. This is our website look with Ocean WP theme. So this is Astra theme. It's totally changed. It's changed our header color. It's also changed our footer color and it's also change our font. You can see this is font and you can see font there. This is like everything change. So you can also customize your theme. Like you want to change menu, you can see you can create menu. After that you can see you set your site identity. There is theme option. Like every theme have different option, but normally basic option are same. You can update your logo, website logo and everything. Homepage setting, which page you need to show. So we just simply activate and publish. You can see our live website. You can see our website is totally changed. So in next video, we discuss how we customize our theme. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.